Let's align some items using DisplayFlex, convert the case of characters using text transform, and find out how height with a value in percentage works in CSS3. So let's run npm start. Once the browser window is opened, we want to make the left side look like the right side. If you just landed over here, this video is part of a playlist where you'll discover how to build your online resume, so make sure to check the links above or the description below for more info and links. Now let's do some work. So now let's resize our windows a bit. And let's open the inspector here. So to make our landing page full height, let's do landing page and add mean height 100%. Let's save it. And if we hover over this landing page over here, we can see that it's not 100% height yet. For that, we need to make all the parents of this div have a height defined. So let's go into layout SCSS and do for HTML and body. Now if we hover over landing page, because HTML and body have a height defined, this one occupies the entire page in height. Now let's add some more properties. Let's do DisplayFlex, items, center, justify content center. And we can see that this content now is centered vertically and horizontally. And also let's do a background, radial gradient, and I'll copy paste some colors. And now I have this nice background over here. So in our agenda to do, let's mark this as done. And the HTML body full height and font size. So to make the landing page wrapper align its content in the center, let's go to here and say landing page text align center. Once we save it, we can see that this content is center aligned. Let's go into our agenda and mark this as done. To get my killer CV template that I use for all interviews, write free CV in a comment below and I'll message you a link. So now we want to play with the landing page name, font size, and make all letters in uppercase. Okay, so landing page name, let's do font size, let's do 2rem. That should be fine. And to do all uppercase, we do text transform uppercase. Let's also change the font in layout and say font family Arial. Save it, and now it looks a bit better. Let's go into our agenda and mark this as done. And also for landing page title, let's play with the font size. Landing page title, font size, let's do 2 rem, let's do 3, that should be fine. And let's make text transform, let's do capitalize, which will make only the first letter uppercase. So now let's go back to our agenda and mark this as done. And now we want to make the landing page social horizontal align its children to be horizontally aligned and move away from the name and title. Okay. So let's go back to our styling and say landing page social DisplayFlex. And now it's aligned central on the center. And let's also move it down. Margin top 1 rem 2, let's make it 3, justify content center. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's go back to our agenda and see. Okay, that should be it. consider supporting CodeUp on patreon.com and become a patron for as little as $1 or more per month. Our next step is to style the landing page label, which is label. So let's do that. It's this one over here. Okay, so let's do color white and let's create some spacing, padding 0.5 to rem, 0.5 rem. That's a bit too much. And let's increase the font size. Font size 2 rem. For the desktop only, because on the tablet, on a mobile, it doesn't really matter. Let's also do cursor, pointer. So when you hover it over it, it shows this small hand. Now let's go back to our agenda, mark this as done, save the file, and let's go to Git and stage all changes. And the commit message should be style landing page name, title, and social icons. You'll discover a CSS3 trick using the input checked state pseudo class and the plus sign, as known as the sibling selector. If you're new over here, I'm Marian and my passion is to create the web and help you be part of it. You've just watched another episode of CodeUp, where you'll discover how to build websites and get paid well. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding and create something awesome.